The lonely monkey. Miko will be a monkey. Miko will live in a big jungle. He will live alone in a tall tree. He will wake up every morning. He will look for food in the trees. He will eat bananas. He will drink water from a river. Miko will see other animals. He will see bears, rabbits, and elephants. But Miko will have no friends. He will feel sad and lonely. He will sit on a branch and will cry. One day he will see a new monkey. The new monkey will be small and brown. Miko will say, "Hello, do you want to play?" The new monkey will say, "Yes, I do." They will play together every day. No, Miko will not be lonely anymore.
Know that you have listened to the story. Learning English with short stories is a great way to improve your listening, reading, and speaking skills at the same time. Now, to make sure you understand the story well, let's answer some simple questions together.
What will the monkey's name be? The monkey's name will be Miko. Where will Miko live? Miko will live in a big jungle. Will Miko live alone or with friends? Miko will live alone. Where will Miko live in the jungle? Miko will live in a tall tree. What will Miko eat? Miko will eat bananas. Where will Miko drink water from? Miko will drink water from a river. Will Miko have friends? No, Miko will have no friends. How will Miko feel? Miko will feel sad and lonely. What will Miko see one day? Miko will see a new monkey. Will the new monkey want to play with Miko? Yes, the new monkey will want to play with Miko.
Good job. Learning English with short stories is a great way to learn step by step. When you listen to stories, you learn new words, sentences, and real English. You don't need to worry about mistakes. Just listen, understand, and enjoy the story. Thank you for watching. See you in the next story.